Hey guys, it's Lally. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited because today I finally get to share my new filming studio with you guys. I'll be sharing all the things that I have on here so that maybe that inspires you to decorate and organize your kitchen. If you like videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting a lot more recipes. So we customized this island. We got it at IKEA, but it had a wood top and we decided to customize it with some marble. I really like that it makes the space light and bright and clean, so I really love it. I have 2 shelves for storage, and I have this clear container right here. This is actually for tea, but I decided to use it for all of the tablespoons and cups that I have. I also have mixing bowls. I like to use these white ones and also some clear ones. These ones right here as well. I have a lot of mixing bowls because I really need them all the time. Show you guys is this beautiful sign that says happiness is homemade, and this is a birthday gift from my best friend. She gifted this to me. It's very special. We had it custom made, and I think it's the perfect touch for this space because I love this quote. So I want to show you what's behind me. So one of my favorite things that I have in this space, induction cooktop, and this is where I'll be doing all of the cooking, so I love it. So right behind me I have these awesome shelves. My friends Gabriel and Jackie came over and helped us put them up and style them and everything. So I will link where I got them from. These are actually from Home Depot, and I can try to find them and link them for you in case you want to do this in your home. So I just styled these floating shelves with some of my favorite accessories and things that I actually will be using. I have spices, I have cookbooks, mugs. That's like my coffee station area on this side. And then on this side I have some glasses, I have cookbooks, utensils and stuff like that. So I am really loving the way that everything came out, and I will probably change things here and there as the new season comes. But I really love it, and it makes me really happy. And this is the place that I will be getting inspired to do new videos and recipes for you guys. So I hope you guys love everything. Make sure to check the description down below because I will be linking as much as I can for you guys to be able to purchase. If there's anything that you guys like in here, I'll try to put everything on there. Make sure to please subscribe. There's a lot of more videos coming. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!